The Rennline fire extinguisher, quick release, and mount are a great addition to any vehicle. The seat mount comes with everything you need for installation. Install the bracket for the sliding mount with the thicker washer, red arrow, towards the rear. The thinner washer, indicated by the blue arrow, is mounted with the locking lever towards the front. The two nuts will sit in cutouts in the bracket, allowing them to sit flush and not catch on anything on the floor. The rearward one, red arrow, you can tighten now. The forward one, blue arrow, can be loosened and turned to set the locking lever in the position you want. Insert the sliding mount into the bracket. Set the red locking lever so the bracket is tight in the position shown. The range of the lever is in between the two blue arrows. You can loosen the lever and turn the nut to get the lever in the right range you want. Use the supplied hardware and mount the quick release bracket to the sliding mount plate, red arrow. You want to install it so the red release tab is towards the front of the vehicle. This image shows it installed in the correct position. Carefully lift the clips off the trim pieces on the forward seat rails. If the clips break, do not worry. You will not be able to reinstall these trim pieces once the mount is installed. Slide the trim pieces off of the rails. Use an E12 torque and fully remove the front mounting bolts and loosen the rears, but do not remove the rears. Tilt the seat back and insert the mount so that the front mounting holes line up with the seat bolts. Insert the bolts and torque the front and rear bolts to 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds. Move the locking lever, blue arrow, into the sliding position and insert the sliding mount plate with the quick release base. Slide the plate into the position that you want it in and lock it in place. Place the quick release collar over the extinguisher and tighten it down. Install the quick release with the extinguisher into the mount. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.